Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice darkened bronze metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do have a nice tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, mud flaps on the front, and we have front park sensing, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, there's a block heater back there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather perforated seats, brown stitching, plenty of door space, a B&O sound system, leathering on the door. We got 2 cup holders, heated back seats, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt right there. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on the driver's side, we can see here we do have powered seat, the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, memory seating for the 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 184 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Fuel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the truck ahead of me. Just shows you your kilometers per hour, the temperature, time, whatever you like. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you have a leather-up gear shift speed adjusters. It's also collapsible, providing you with more space. You got storage here, cup holders, wireless charging pad with the USB-C, and it does close. Leather-up center console that does fold up to be an interior work surface, as well as storage underneath as well. We got our drive modes, rear locking differential and 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled front seats, as well as your heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage above, as well as below. Storage above as well, we have a leather wrapped dash, and looking above me we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, as well as we do get a garage door transmitter. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction, and we do get Blue Cruise equipped with this vehicle as well. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA73200, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.